why don't you show me Zhuhai? Zhuhai. Oh, I want to see Zhuhai. Please, why don't you show me Zhuhai?
We're in Zhuhai. We're in an area called Tangjia, and we're gonna be. Let me just kind of show you what's behind me. It's kind of interesting. This has a lot of greenery. Excuse me. Little bridge right there. But we're gonna be walking down this street, which is kind of a commercial area. So we're gonna kind of explore. There's a lot of restaurants and a lot of different stuff in here. So we're gonna go see what it looks like. Zhuhai. This one is Tangjia. This is you can see it up on the map, so it's kind of up on the northern part of the coastline, and this is kind of a big area. So we're just gonna get into it. There's also a Tangjia village, but this one kind of encompasses the general area itself, including kind of a little bit of a like bar restaurant area where I think some expats hang out. Anyways, nonetheless, let's get right into it and show you what it looks like as if you're there yourself. Zhuhai. So we're gonna go all the way through and just kind of walk through, and then you can see there's a main street right there. So we're gonna come back in that area in a moment, and it looks like there's a lot of I saw like a few pizza places and a few other places. It's kind of quiet. It's a Friday at 2 p.m. It looks like you can go up like up in here, and there's like a flower shop, and there's stuff up on the second floor, and I think third floor maybe our offices, maybe even apartments. And I kind of have a feeling that it's probably it's kind of near a university area, so I have a feeling that probably other time periods it's probably pretty busy. There's like fruit, there's some soup. I think we're gonna be getting some rain as well. Today is a little bit of a rainy day, and it's about 2 p.m. on a Friday, and it's June. So yeah, right here it says pizza and beer, so this is a little pizza place. It's kind of cool. Then I saw something called here's another pizza place too right here. It's a Mr. Pizza. Established 2004, is that right? It's another, and then curry up, so it looks like maybe Indian, or it could be Japanese too, I guess. Feels like it's really gonna rain. Here's a Thai restaurant, Hops Typhoon. So it looks like a place you can get some beer maybe. Feels like it's gonna really rain any minute now. Pizzeria Typhoon. Oven and grill, so there's like 3 pizza places. And then there's a parking garage up there, but we're gonna keep on going in. Let me just kind of just walk over here real quick. See, I think this is all. Let me just kind of see what's on this side. Okay, so you also have storefront stuff here too, so you can sit in these areas. And there's the Mr. Pizza as well. Okay. Kind of giving you some more context to this. And there's a big leafy, big boulevard over that way. It feels like it's gonna just really pour down rain any minute now. Okay, so we're gonna go back into where we were just at. Let's see. Take a look at the menus. Oh, there's some cats in there. kind of cool. Oh, I feel like it's just gonna like pour down rain. Okay, we are gonna walk. So we just said hello. And they got these residential apartments over here. So that's all on the other side. God, it's gonna rain so hard. Anyways, this is part of Tangjia, and there's several universities, so you probably saw that up on the map. Exactly where we're at. And there's a kind of historic area. There's several universities, and there's this one. It's kind of new. I haven't new to me. I'm sure it's been here a while because it had the. There's another pizza place right there. So that says ZZ Pizza. So there's like 4 pizza places in here. I guess it really caters towards the university crowd. Arcade. Smoothie dessert. And yeah, you can see stuff up above too. It's gonna rain so hard. Here's something called Beer O'Clock. Right there. Okay. So it's gonna start pouring down here in any minute. Let's see. There's a French name right there. There's some with a pizza there too. So they got a bakery. It's gonna rain hard. Can feel that it's gonna rain hard. Some Chinese music. Imported goods. So yeah, this is a little slice of don't know what this would be called exactly, but the location with a lot of pizza places. I guess it's definitely part of Zhuhai. Tangjia, part of Zhuhai. Yep. It's gonna rain hard. It started raining really hard. So yeah, anyways, there's a nice music. There's a clock up there. You can see that, the clock tower. And then the main part of Tangjia, which is the northern part of Zhuhai along the coast, is up there. There's a lot more commercial areas. And this is kind of looking back. I think I'm probably gonna go to one of those pizza places and wait out the rain a little bit. I don't think it's gonna stop anytime soon. It's pretty. Anyways, Tangjia. Okay, so we are leaving the complex. The rain kind of slowed down a little bit, and that's where all that music is coming from. Just kind of interesting. And what I want to do anyways is I just want to kind of get an idea. Let me just see what this says right here. Okay. Maybe somebody can tell me exactly the neighborhood that I'm at. And I'm just going to come out here. I have 2 choices. Either one is I'm going to go down to the old town, or I'm going to go down this way, which ultimately goes down to the beach, according to my map. So I wouldn't mind seeing what that looks like, but I might get caught up in the rain. So anyways, that goes to the beach, Tangjia, and that's where we're just at. So we basically just walked from there about 10 minutes. You can see one of the main streets. Then that would directly go down to Sun Yat-sen University, and then the beach down that way. Then down this way would lead into the ancient village. So we will, I think this part looks a bit more interesting. So I think what we'll do is I'll see if I can film a little bit down in here. And I think I can right there. And then we will do a separate one with the beach, maybe, if it's raining and maybe not. Anyways, this is Tangjia. That beautiful tree. Yeah, you got some interesting stuff, like some, I don't know if those are apartments or part of businesses. And some restaurants as well. Okay, and on that note, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go slightly into the old village. Tangjia ancient town, it says in English there. There's some of the businesses that are up front of here. And I'm just going to go to this this little noodle shop that I really like. I've only been here once and I filmed it another time, so I'll connect that to the end of this video and the thumbnails, and then you can see that if your goal is to see the ancient village. But we are going to tap into just the slight entrance part. And this goes down. Last time I was here, I think I walked for like maybe 18 or 20 minutes trying to through this whole area. But today I'm just going to get some noodles, and I'm going to try to come back another time when it's evening time. I think it'd be better. But you can see lots of businesses and some like little billiards hall right there. There's a motorcycle coming up behind me. I think that might be the noodle shop that I went to before. Yeah, last time I had this. I think I'm gonna come and get that again. Before I close this video, this is part of the old town, and I'll just walk into the main street so you can kind of see. And then there's some Lingnan architecture to the left. It says Tangjia Nostalgia Hall. So you can see all kinds of stuff. I'm gonna come by in the evening one of these times and try to film when it's a lot more livelier. Last time I was here, it was also raining too. You can see all kinds of stuff all the way down. Here's the Nostalgia Hall. Beautiful temple. And yep, I'm gonna go in and get some noodles, and then I'm going to come back another day. So that'll be the end of this particular video. Tangjia area. And that's the sign for it, just to kind of put it all in context. Some tourist signs, because I think people do like to come over here, and kind of a cool building there. Okay, so on that note, that will be the end of Tangjia, and let's just hope my little Lingnan looking building has some Zhuhai symbolism right there. Let's hope it's open. Looks like it's closed. That's okay. And we're at the beach. So this is Tangjia beach. So I will attach it to the other one. So you got a little taste of Tangjia. And then yeah, the thumbnail at the end will connect it to the bigger, the other part of Tangjia, which is the ancient village, that street. So since it's kind of a rainy day, it's not really the perfect day to get a feeling for the beach. But now you know it's here, and it's in Tangjia, which is in the northern part of Zhuhai. So there you go.